I'm here to listen to Prime Minister Modi, and I'm extremely excited. I've been here, as I said, for the last 25 years, and the way India's image has changed in this country and even elsewhere, the way it has changed things for us Indians living here, it's absolutely mind-boggling. We are at a stage where people over here have a different view on us. It's India. I just feel like Prime Minister Modi has taken us light years ahead, and I'm very excited to go, feel his aura, presence, and listen to him.
I'm excited to see Modi. First time I want to see him. Actually, in India, till now I didn't see him. From 4 years we are living in Paris. It's a good chance to meet Modi.
मोदी हमारे देश की शान है। मोदी जैसा पूरी दुनिया में कोई नेता है नहीं अभी, और मोदी है तो सब कुछ मुमकिन है।
So I'm here for an event, and with that I also had an opportunity to meet Prime Minister Modi. So I think the way he's telling everything, telling about India to everyone, and how it's spreading the culture and everything. And I think it's our responsibility as well when we are living here as a diaspora to go and thanks to him that we are appreciating what he's doing.
It's always a privilege to see Modi ji here. He inspires people in India, people abroad. I'm here because it gives me a lot of motivation to see him for all the hard work he's doing. And I took half day off, but I know I'm going to go back with bigger motivation to work harder.
I'm very excited, and I'm more than excited. I'm really feeling very gratitude to the God, because it's a dream which is coming true today. Because I really admire Modi ji, the Prime Minister of India, and it's a great opportunity for me to meet him. If my luck is in my favor today, then I could meet him personally as well, at least take a photo. I'm feeling super overwhelmed and very happy today. I cannot explain in my words. I have lost my words all the.
एक्चुअली जब पीएम साहब आए तो बेगम बतूल जी को देखा तो उन्होंने कहा कि पधारो हमारे देश, तो इन्होंने फिर उनको राजस्थान का मान पधारो हमारा देश सुनाया था, और मैंने उनके लिए 2 लाइनें लिखी थी, क्योंकि जब भी हर बार वो आते हैं, पिछली बार आए थे तब भी मैंने सुनाया था। तो वो गीत इस तरह से था, पिछली बार आए थे दिल्ली को जीत के, पिछली बार आए थे दिल्ली को जीत के, अब के किया है एक नया ही कमाल, जीता है बंगाल, अब तो जीता है बंगाल।